Hare Krishna everyone. Welcome to day 1 of the 66 day gratitude journal challenge. I'm Gire Nandita from Rhythmic Rhythms and I'm so happy and thankful that you are here with me tonight. Please clap for yourself right now. Yes, clap with me. You made the decision to begin this beautiful journey, right? That means you take care about your inner peace, your heart and your growth. So, a big round of applause to the most important person in your life. Who is that? You. Claps, claps. So, today's theme is very close to your heart. Gratitude for myself. Sometimes we forget to thank ourselves, but today we pause and say, "Thank you, me." Not because I'm perfect, but because I'm trying, learning, I'm healing, and I am still going. You are a blessing in this world, and tonight we are going to honor that. So now take out your journal and write 5 things you are grateful for about yourself. It could be like, I am grateful for my patience. I am grateful for my patience. Second one, I am grateful that I take care about others. I am grateful that I take care about others. I am grateful for how I have grown this year. I am grateful for my strength. I am grateful for my smile. Pause here and give yourself time to write. You can pause the video if you need more time. Once you have finished, gently close your journal and also close your eyes. Take a deep breath. Place your hand on your heart and say, I am enough. I am growing. I am grateful. Now take a deep breath and sleep peacefully, knowing that you are ending your day with love and gratitude for yourself. And don't forget to comment below, day 1 done, so I can celebrate with you and follow your progress. Hare Krishna, Jai Shri Radhe. I will meet you tomorrow, same time, same soul place, for day 2, gratitude for my body. Are you all ready? Yes. Thank you. Hare Krishna.